Okay, I will start class at 3:05. So up to that, we will wait for our classmates. So in previous class, I given that two problems to solve for you and work done. Did anyone get their problems? But if you are facing any difficulties on solving on those problems, you can ask me. Okay? I will help them. If there is no doubts, means I will go for next topic, and the next topic is Green's theorem. So up to Green's theorem is actually it is a half part of the fourth unit, and after Green's theorem, surface integrals and Stokes theorem, that is the half part. So I think it's a line integral and problems on work done and Green's theorem. It is much easier when compared to surface integrals and Stokes theorem. Not difficult, I didn't say that, but it was very one-page problem, this and all, Green's theorem and line integral and work done problems. But whenever you go for surface integrals and Stokes, and it may take some parameter conversion like that, it will take 2 to 3 pages like that. Okay, when you do problems on in your examinations on Green's theorem, it will save time for you. Okay, so try to concentrate what are the problems are there in Green's theorem and line integral. So I'm sharing my screen. That here. Here saying that let's see is a piecewise smooth, that it actually smooth curve means it is smoothly, it will goes like this. Smoothly it will goes. Okay, simply if you want to say means it doesn't have any sharp turns. Okay, that curve is, you can call it as a smooth curve and a simple closed curve. That is simple curve means, suppose you can say this is a simple curve. Okay, it isn't suppose it was intersecting itself. Okay, it is not a simple curve, it is simple curve. Okay, which do not intersect itself, that curve is known as a simple curve. Okay, next things, what are they given? For the region R, it is a closed region. Okay, so that here F they given that vector field, that it is in the form mi plus nj, that ith coefficient is m and jth coefficient is n, that m and n are continuous. First partial derivatives, that we know very well that continuous means in that region that each and every point it will exist. Either in other words, we can say that and each and every point it is differentiable. Okay, na? Here actually here having that two methods on Green's theorem. One is depending upon curl and one is depending upon divergence. Here, if divergence is equal to 0 means what you can say that generally it will come in physics. Like you heard these words now, conservation of mass, there is no loss of energy, like that. Conservation of mass, like that you heard that word. But whatever the mass is entering and whatever mass is outgoing, that both are same means you can say that mass is conserved. So on that situation, you will use this one, okay, this Green's theorem. But actually, it was not in our syllabus. So we will discuss only this one only. We will discuss this one only. Okay. So here curl means here if curl it is equal to 0 means what we can say that suppose one fluid is moving, fluid, okay, fluid is flowing. That suppose one oppositely one, suppose one object is moving opposite to that fluid, that is irrotational, and that occasion that curl f is equal to 0. So based on that to give more clarity, suppose here is there, okay, and I will make you another color. It's oppositely moving like this, okay, it's anti-clockwise moving. Like suppose is moving to that fluid, okay, and that situation here curl will, we can say that is irrotation. Okay, at least you get one idea. I think it is useful. Actually this one Green's theorem is useful to convert this line integral into a double integral, that means surface. Okay, na? At least you get one idea about this formula. This is line integral. We know very well that is it is vector in the form. Here we know that ith coefficient is m and jth coefficient is n. Okay, that is here we know very well that we are converting into a single integral into a double integral. That means line to surface. Okay, now we get one idea, I think, about the formula. You get one idea about the formula or not? Can anyone say that? You will get proper idea after solving only, but at least you get one idea that it is Green's theorem means it is like that. Can anyone, one person confirm? First of all, my voice is audible for you clearly.
Yes, sir, audible.
Then why you are not responding? At least you get one idea now what is meant by Green's theorem here.
So there is no derivation for this.
No. Proofs are not for you. For actually for BTech people, they didn't ask proofs. If you observe this syllabus, that means if you see the syllabus, at the end, what they will mention, you see, na? That without proofs, okay, they will mention that for you people, for your examinations also, they didn't ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay. At least I am not saying that you will understood properly 100% about this. Not like that, but at least you get one idea. Na? The Green's theorem means it was converting from line integral to surface. That means single to double integral, like that. Here M means it is vector field, like that. You understood na something?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so for all people, GLearn is working, na?
No, sir. Sometimes it's not opening.
Okay. That's why I'm sharing that class link in our group also. Okay, anyway, see. I'm writing the formula here, Green's theorem. F is equal to mi plus nj vector field. Okay, that is integral over c f dot a ds integral over c m dx plus n d by integral over r dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. Okay, na? So that we will solve one problem, then only we will get the proper idea. Wait, I will show that problem. Wait, 1011 page 1011, this one only. Here they are saying that verify both forms of Green's theorem. They said that, but here we do with respect to tangential form only. That means with respect to curl they given. I written the in notepad. With respect to that one only we will verify. Why means that one only having in your syllabus. Okay. So you just take one snap of this problem, and I will solve. I will solve in the notepad. Okay, na? Okay. See, I will solve. Next, I am going there. So just whatever they given, just say to me that whatever f they given that. Wait. Here they given that f is equal to x comma y. It is equal to x minus y into I plus xj, and it is a vector field, and they given that one curve also. It is r of t cos t I plus sin t j they given that example number 3. Verify Green's theorem. Okay, na? For it is the vector field, and this is the curve they given, and next something also, something else also they given that, and r is bounded by the unit circle okay. That means here that circle radius is 1, and they given that t is lies between 0 to 2 pi. This is the data they given. Next we are going to prove that this LHS part is equal to RHS part. Okay, these two terms are equal. We are going to prove that. In line integral only we learn that from this equation that, can you say that what is x and what is y? From this equation, can anyone say that what is x and what is y?
Cos t is x.
Yes, cos t is x. Y?
Sin t.
Yes, very good. Okay, so that here to find out the here this part, we need m dx n dy, all we need. Here m is what? Here m is equal to x minus y. We have to convert this into in terms of t. Y means here the given limits are in terms of t only. That's why I'm converting all these terms into a t. That x equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. Okay, na? That is m is equal to cos t minus sin t. Then n is equal to, can anyone say that what is the n here? N.
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Wait, I will write. N is equal to x. Then here x equal to cos t, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that we get that m is equal to cos t minus sin t, n is equal to cos t. Next we have to get dx dy, na? So that's also I will solve. Wait. From this, just I am differentiating, then I will get dx, and when you differentiate cos t, you will get minus sin t dt, comma, when you do this one, okay, na? dy is equal to, when you differentiate the sin t, we will get cos t dt. Here y means not by with respect to x or with respect to y, we are not differentiating, just we are differentiating, that's all. That's why you will get here x star dt. Here we get here m, here you will get dx dy, all. If you observe here, all are in terms of t's only you get. Okay, here limits also in terms of t only. Okay, that LHS part is, that is equal to integral over c m dx plus n dy, integral t limits are 0 to 2 pi m, they given that cos t minus sin t. What dx is what? Minus sin t dt. Okay, na? So next, plus, I'm going to write here downside. Here that is n is cos t, that is here cos t, and here dy is cos t dt. dt. Okay, na? Up to here, is it okay for you, all the people? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Up to here, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any another one person?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here, next I am going to multiply these two terms, and I am going to multiply these two terms, and I am going to integrate. Integral over 0 to 2 pi. So here cos t, here minus sin t into cos t, will get minus sin t cos t. Here minus sin t into minus sin t plus sin square t, plus cos t into cos t, cos square t, dt writing outside. Then here, if you observe here, sin square t plus cos, what will get?
1.
1. Okay, that integral over 0 to 2 pi. So here I am going to multiply with 2 and divide with 2 here. 2 will vanish, it means again you will get that same term. Then here sin t cos t, it will become 1. Okay, na? Then for the entire term dt. Okay, na? So here why I multiply with 2 and divide with 2 means here it will become 2 sin theta cos theta formula, na?
Excuse me, sir.
Same ankanta.
Sir, how you took dy, sir?
Wait, I will explain. Wait 1 minute. I will write this formula and I will explain. Okay. Here 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta, not sin 2 theta. Okay. Here 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Okay. If it was in this form, you can write in this form. Okay. Next, you say Manikanta, what is your doubt?
Sir, how we took dy, sir?
Where dy?
Your formula, sir, n dy. How we
Here
took
this
dy, sir? Yeah, sir.
mdx dy. Yeah. Here there na here dy is equal to cos t dt. dy is equal to cos t dt. Here there
Oh,
na.
okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay na. Then here sin 2t will get here. Here 0 to 2 pi minus 1 by 2 sin 2t plus 1 dt. So here minus 1 by 2 into, when you integrate sin 2t, what you will get? Minus cos 2t by 2 plus t, limits are 0 to 2 pi. Okay na? So that is minus minus will get plus, that is 1 by 4 cos 2t plus t, limits are 0 to 2 pi. Okay na? See next. Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 4 cos 2 into 2 pi minus cos 2 into 0 plus 2 pi minus 0. Okay na? That is 1 by 4 cos 4 pi minus cos 0. Okay na? That is plus 2 pi minus 0 is 2 pi only. That can you anyone say that cos 4 pi value is what? That is cos n pi. I already shared to you that
Sir, one, sir.
cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n. Like this, you will get minus 1 whole to the power of 4. That is 1. It's not, it's a shortcut. Okay. When someone asked how you get, don't argue for them. Okay. It's a shortcut. Okay. Na? That is, sometimes my shortcuts fail also. Okay. That 1 by 4 is my voice is audible for you now?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe some network issue, I think. Suddenly I was lifted. So now my screen is visible for you now?
Yes.
This up to here, we get here 2 pi, up to here, is it okay for you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next I am going for RHS part. If you get RHS part also same, we can say that the Green's theorem was satisfying. That RHS part is integral over R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, that is dy dx. Okay, na? That means here n, in terms of n, say that is what is m and what is n. Here they given na that in problem only they given. So that is m is x minus y and n is x. So remember that m is equal to x minus y, m is equal to x minus y, n is equal to x. Okay, na? We have to get here dou m by dou y. Can anyone say that what is here dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y, can anyone say that? Demonstrate this one and can partial
Differentiating m and y, sir, and doing division, sir, both.
No, here dou m by dou y, say the result. What will get dou m by dou y? Here that means dou by dou y of x minus na, that x will become 0. Here y will get minus 1. That means minus 1 na. That means dou m by dou y means minus 1. Dou n by dou x means n is here x. Okay. Dou by dou x of x is 1. Okay. Is it okay for you? Is it okay for you or not? Dou n by dou x is 1 they given, minus dou m by dou y is minus 1 dy dx integral over r 1 plus 1, there minus minus will get plus dy dx 1 plus 1 2, write it outside, integral over the r dy dx. Okay, na? Is it okay for you up to here? Can any one person confirm for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you observe here, they given that it is a region for the unit circle now, that is x square plus y square, it is equal to r square, that is x square plus y square, it is equal to 1 square. That means r is equal to what? We can say r is equal to 1 na. That means finally we are going to find out area of the circle only here. Can anyone say that area of the circle formula? Area of circle pi r square. Okay, area of the circle is pi r square and 2 into here pi r square, this area of the circle. Okay, but by finding limits like that also you can solve, but directly we are getting then why we are going for complicated method? Okay, that means here this is the region is area of the circle, that area of the circle is pi r square. We know where that very well that r is equal to 1, so that is r is equal to 1. We have to replace in place of r1 2 pi 1 square 2 pi into 1, that is 2 pi. Okay, na? Are you understood this step? Are you understood or not?
Sir, once repeat.
Here finally we will get here area for the region. Now we are integrating for this also.
Yes, sir.
They given that the region is circle only now they given.
Yes, sir.
So that that is x square plus y square is equal to 1. They mentioned that unit circle. That means that circle radius is 1.
1. Yes.
That area of the circle is pi r square now.
Yes, sir.
As usual, in place of r substitute 1. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
Here already 2 is there. Then you will get 2 pi.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
na? If you observe there, here also for this step also you will get wait, I will show that step. Here LHS part also 2 pi and RHS part also 2 pi. Then we can say that here Green's theorem is satisfying. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, Green's theorem is satisfied. Is it okay for you? All the people, are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Can any another one person confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then I will go for next problem. You didn't have any issue now? See, next one is example 4. I will show to you that problem. You just take one snap and okay, this one, this example number 4. Okay, just they are saying that find the line integral. Okay, here we are converting this line integral into a surface integral. Na? That means where it was. Wait, here it was. Okay, they are saying that find the line integral. This one they are saying finding. Okay, but this one and this one both are same. Na? I will find out this one and I will say that line integral value is this. Are you catching my point? They say
Yes, sir.
that they are saying that find the line integral. I will find out this one value and I will say it is the line integral area, like that I will say. Both are same only na, by using Green's theorem. Okay. So now I will go. This problem is okay. Example number 4. That we taken snap, I think. Okay. They given that Green's theorem integral over C m dx plus n dy double integral over the region dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dy dx. It is the Green's theorem. Okay, so now the given problem is they given that integral over C xy dy minus y square dx. Okay, na? So this is they given that. So they given the square that x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So that is from the origin x equal to 1 is 1, this one. Okay, y is equal to 1 is 1, this one. Okay, so if you draw the lines, you will get that. Wait. To draw the lines, we get the point here 1 comma 1. Okay, here 1 is okay. So it is the square. Can you say that it is x and it is y? Can you say that x is varying from where to where and y is varying from where to where?
0 to 1, sir. X.
0 to 1.
And
Y?
y is 0 to 1.
And then the limits are
0 to 1, sir. Limits. X limits.
yes, so we get the limits. Okay, So by
Yes.
comparing these two, can you say that what is m and what is n?
XY is
Xy is,
n, sir,
yes, xy is n.
and y square is m.
Yes, here dx coefficient is m and dy coefficient is n. Okay, here
Yes.
dx coefficient is minus y square, that is m is minus y square, that is n is xy. Okay, na? So we need that dou m by dou y, then we will get minus 2y. Okay, na? Here we need dou n by dou x, then you will get here y dot 1, that is y into 1, that y into 1 is y. Okay, that means you understood. I think you understood now these parts. You understood now? Up to here, is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then double integral over the region dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dy dx integral over x equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, na? That is here dou n by dou x is y minus dou m by dou y is minus 2y. Okay, that is dy dx integral over x equal to 0 to 1 integral over y is 0 to 1. Here minus into minus, here you will get plus. Okay, plus 2y dy dx. Okay, na? Integral of x equal to 0 to 1 I 0 to 1. Okay, so y plus 2y, it is 3 by dy dx. Okay, na? That is 3 is constant, I am writing outside. So integral over x equal to 0 to 1, the here you will get y square by 2 when you integrate this one. Okay, then here limits are 0 to 1 dx. Three integral x equal to 0 to 1. Okay, 1 by 2 is constant, I am writing outside. That upper limit minus lower limit dx, that is 3 by 2, that is 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2, that is integral over 0 to 1. Okay, dx. Okay, na? That is 1 square minus 0 square is 1. Integral dx is x, 3 by 2 x 0 to 1, upper limit minus lower limit 1 minus 0, that is 3 by 2. Okay, na? This is the required line integral. I think you understood. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you people only saying that you are understood that. Up to now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will give 2 minutes for you. If you are understood problem means, I will give 2 problems to you. You have to solve. Okay. Two minutes I am giving time for you. If you have any doubts in these 2 problems, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will give 2 problems for you. You have to solve. Okay, na? You don't worry that here for data section, data science B section people, you know anyone? That means your friends are there in data science B. Can anyone say that? No one is there in data science B section.
There, sir.
It was there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for them it was already completed. I given now two problems to solve na. So
Okay.
if you are facing any difficulties, first ask them, try to solve.
They don't know anything, leave, sir.
Huh? I don't know.
They don't know anything, sir. So they are asking us.
They are asking you.
Yeah, sir.
That means you know intelligent people.
Late, sir, anta.
Any other people? Okay. Anyway, the as usual method, just I will explain briefly. You don't worry.
Okay.
It
Just
is
I told I didn't complete that one.
same method only. Okay.
Okay.
That I will show to you that two problems and you have to do that. Okay. This one, 27th one, note down. Next. Twenty-ninth one. This one, okay na? For 27th one, we will get 20. Wait, I will say the answers. For this one, you will get 0 answer. Okay. I think you know very well that here they given planes that from this how to find out the limits. X plus y is equal to 1 is there. Lower limits you know very well that x equal to 0, y equal to 0. From this x plus y is equal to 1, you know now how to find out the limits. X limit and y limit. Are you able to find out or not? You don't worry, I will explain now. Okay. For this one, you will get that minus 16 pi, okay, minus 16 pi you will get. These are the answers. Okay, so here how the limits will we are going to find out from this x plus y is equal to 1, that from these three I am going to explain now. Wait. Okay, na? See, I will explain now that one. Are you able to do or not? This 27th one and 29th one.
Just started doing, so if we get out, we'll ask.
Okay. You Manikanta, are you there?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, it is mdx plus nd by form directly they given, okay na?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Directly you find out that one double integral part is there na? Double integral part is there, that means surface integral. Directly you have to do that one. By using this one we have to find out m and n and we have to directly solve. Just before problem I explained like that, okay. Here x plus y, from x plus y how to find out limits means they given that x equal to 0 comma y is equal to 0, that means y limits, that is here we know very well that y is equal to 0 and here y is equal to, if you transfer x from this side to this side, they will get 1 minus x. Then y limits zero to 1 minus x and x limits. You know very well that lower limit x equal to 0 and from upper limit, from this we have to find out x plus y is equal to 1. When you are finding x limits, you have to neglect y terms. Na? That means here x equal to 1. That means x limits 0 to 1. Is it okay for you? Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then try to solve that. I answers also I given there what you will get. Here for 27th you will get 0. For 29th you will get minus 16 pi. Okay, that you know now that for you is relative grading. You know now for you people that is relative grading. You know that thing?
Means what?
That means here there is one formula that mu plus sigma 3 sigma like that. Mu means mean, okay, that average. They will calculate all the people's average, okay, and they will put that average as the pass marks.
Sir,
Okay.
average of class or what, sir?
Average of class, maybe that one is fixed rate, okay. Maybe average of this particular section or over the entire campus, that one is not fixed, but that average based on mostly it will affect average only. That sigma is standard deviation, that one didn't affect much. This average only it will affect, okay. So when you are copying, you just think once and copy. Suppose your class average is 80. Who get below 80, that you know what will happen. They will get only less grades, and maybe even who is getting 60% also there is a chance of that failing that persons. Okay, na? So don't copy. In this situation, what will happen? That average, which one having less, that one is going to be better, like that. Suppose if the average is 50, who is getting that above that average marks, that they will get good marks. That means good grade they will get, O grade like that, A grade like that. Okay, so that don't copy much. If you copy means that will affect at the end you only in grades. You note down this 27th and 29th problems. You note down this 29th and 27th problems.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to solve, you will get the answers definitely. If you didn't get also not a problem, but first try. If you didn't get also, I will explain next class. But you don't skip, just try. Okay, I'm stopping my screen sharing. Okay. Okay, see you in next class. Okay. See you in next class.